Hi guys! Today we're going to look at how to use wind zones to make trees sway. Previously we created a terrain with trees, grass and flowers, but the trees are completely static at the moment. To make the trees move we need to add a wind zone. We'll stop the game and click the plus button in the hierarchy. Then we'll select 3D object wind zone. This has now created a wind zone with various settings. Let's leave everything as it is and press play. You can see that the trees still aren't moving. This is because we also need to set the bend factor of the trees. Let's stop the game and select the terrain in the hierarchy. Then we'll select the Paint Trees button. From here we'll select one of our trees and click the Edit Trees button and then on Edit Tree. Then we'll change the bend factor from 0 to 1. We'll repeat this for all of the trees. Let's press play to try this out. Now the trees move, but they look a bit unnatural. Let's stop the game and have a look at how to fix this. We'll select the wind zone in the hierarchy and then look at the settings in the inspector. We can change the mode between directional and spherical. Directional will affect the entire scene in one direction, whereas spherical will affect the scene in a given radius. We'll leave this as directional. Main is the primary force to be applied. We'll change this to 0.5. Next we have turbulence, which adds some noise to the wind direction. We'll set this to 0.1. To create a more natural effect, the wind blows in pulses, and we can change the magnitude and frequency of these pulses. We'll set the magnitude to 0.8 and the frequency to 0.5. Let's press play to see how this looks. Now the movement of the trees looks much more natural. It's worth noting that not just any model of a tree can be used with wind zones. It must have actually been created as a tree with defined branches. Trees can be created with the free tree editor included in Unity, or with the subscription-based application SpeedTree. We'll look at how to create trees from scratch in a future video. Okay, that covers everything for this video. Hope you found it useful. Please leave any questions or feedback in the comments and subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss the next one. If you find our channel useful and would like to help support our work, you can find us on Patreon and Ko-fi.com. Thanks guys!